Sister, I'm sure you. I'm glad you said that. I'm sorry, we're mixing things here. I'm sure you have everything to answer, but I just need to touch on this. It's good to create relationships because it's great to be good for people because you don't know.
Yes, you don't know. Remember, when you have a pool of people around you, you are rich. You might not be having a lot of money, but if you have people, you know you are safe wherever you are. Mina, if I can go to Cape Town now, I will never be stranded.
You see?
Never. Because I can make friends with anyone, any stranger I can approach. Because people will look at you, and then the way you approach a person, that's why they're going to accept you. Yeah, so that's where I met this person. Then she introduced me to the one who hold my hand.
And the mentorship again, it comes back.
Yes, to radio. Mina loko ni aka radio xo sungula ani tlangangi mina hi mina. A ku na character yin'wanyana a ku ri mina Nene. I think people must know this. Nene ari n'wana wa xisiwana amutini a xanisiwa hi malume wa yena. And a ri Mukreste Nene.
Which story was that?
Xa ka radio xa khale.
Okay.
A ni tlanga na Quintin.
Okay,
Quintinizer akuri malume wa mina.
Yes.
Quintinizer akuri mfundisi. Yes. And then Bonjis akuri malume wa mina.
Okay. Bonjis who's on now?
Yes, yena la ni shanisa. Then from there, from that drama, iyo le nga banga sungula ku bona ku there's something on this girl. And then loko se ku fika mina hi mina I ri ya vunharhu.
Okay.
Mina vo ni choosisa ku ri between 1 to 3 characters, which one?
Wow.
And then ani hina I character bayo I synopsis va ku komba ku itava njani. And then ni ku anlava le ya Caroline. And then ni mu vona Caroline va vula everything about yena. And then even ngena ka mina yena kumjentiso anhlupheka ka mina yena because hinkwaswo a swi prepare the producers na ta kona everyone.
It was a well thought production.
And akuri kuna team spirit yin'wanyani yo chavisa ngopfu na sweswi ya ri kona yo yi nga endla ku mkuma ku va ku humesa munhu yalowo loko nghena studio a wa ha vitaniwa ku wena Rabela kumbe wena Esther Caroline. So that unga fambi na munhu yaluya va za va ku hlonipha ku tlula mpimo vanhu va tsandzeka ku humesa leswi fanele ku va ku humesa.
True.
Hi swona leswi swi nga ni endla ku nina. So loko se ni ta ka Giyani,
I was waiting for that one.
Ka Giyani Land of Blood.
I remember that day.
Yes, loko ni ya ka Giyani Land of Blood. Mina ni tisuka Giyani Land of Blood hi producer ya mina. The person who brought me to Giyani Land of Blood is my producer.
From radio.
Okay. Beka. Ngodwana.
Okay.
Yeah, because he's the one who said, hey, ibitanana both. Kuna swin'wana man very kuna ina n'wana muka kwale Joni. There are some auditions. I would love you to go, but give me the email address so that I can forward to the relevant people that they will send you. Email address. I emailed him, and then they gave me the date and time. Believe me, I was so scared of everything. Then
when you came for the audition?
Yes, when I went there to the auditions, I remember I said to myself, I want to be like, presentable and all.
Which was good.
Then, when I reached there, I saw Makazi from Bango. I saw Tiran Mabasa. I saw.
But wasn't Makazi auditioning?
Makazi was on the table.
She was with us.
Yes,
she was with us on the
table. And then I was like, they said, we send you. I said, I don't know which character am I auditioning for. They said, no, but we send you for. I said, we send you in your email. How I didn't see. And the script is so different from the one of radio. It's
day and night.
It's day and night. You see, so in radio, the script is scene 1 up until scene 4. You are bound to do that scene until it finishes. And then in TV, it's a different story. And then they gave me the character of Gladys. And then who is going to read for me? And then here comes Fuman. And then Boma Kazi was like, wow, makeup. And I was, No, I'm not auditioning for Dinah. I'm auditioning for Lady. Okay. That was Bomakat. Okay. No, go for it.
She's very energetic.
And then she said, go for it. Yo, I like you. Then it gave me that courage. Yes. And then here comes Fuman. Hey, Katami, why bona makale wan kurifamba njani? Then nihlamula kwala. Man mingane tseka mina nini. But and before we can get in for auditions, I changed my number so that I can go later.
Oh, so you're preparing. Oh, wow.
Yeah, because there were a lot of people who were coming in. Then I had to change and take my number backwards.
Actually, you did well to go for the Joburg ones, because in Giyani and Polokwane there were a lot of people. I think those 2 days there, we saw over close to maybe 2,000 people.
Yeah, so my turn came, and then I did what I had to do. Then on my way back, something came out of me to say, if this is a drama that is going to be on TV, I'm going to be in it. I don't know when they come.
Holy Spirit speaking.
I'm telling you, then I started to pray. Thank you, Lord, for opening new doors. And then that thing, Pastor Nomadla, you will be known in the city, you will be known in everywhere. It came now. Things are happening. And then I continued with whatever I was doing as a teacher and as Gardenina. And then people were like, couldn't audition again? And then I said, okay, go. How? Couldn't audition up? Are you not going? No, go. Because I didn't want people to say, how because you need to protect other people's feelings.
Yes, true.
Yeah,
true.
Then I said, no.
That was a very wise move, actually.
I'm committed, but nishutuili. Then they went there, and then every time Banbata would say, where is that drama? Hey, people are and then I was like quiet in my heart. I didn't want to speak negatively.
Of course, yes.
Yes. Then one day, I never heard that the shooting have started. One day, here comes the call.
Can you obey?
Obey.
Yes.
And then I missed that call. And then I had to call back because it's an agent or whatever. Hey, we're looking for a better in English. It's myself. Can you manage to come to Zanin tomorrow? I said yes. And my spiritual mother was here. That was February.
Yes,
my spiritual mother is here. She came here for a mission of the church to pray with us. I don't know how to tell her to say, I got this call, I have to go to Zanin. You know what I did? I said, okay. Then I called my husband. Hey, Papa, hey, me call this guy very obeyed. I don't know. They said they want me in Zanin, kuna drama in. And then he started to ask me questions. I don't know, but I heard Guri, I must come to Zanin. Okay, no, it's fine. It was never
fine about anything.
Yes, he just accepted. And then Ufambanjan, how are you going to go there?
They will pick me up.
And then they will pick me up. And then he wanted to know all the details.
Of course, I would want to know the details as well.
But how am I going to break the news to because my mother, my spiritual mother, we have put her in a lodge somewhere. She's sleeping next to the house, but she's our visitor. Remember? And then I arranged everything. They had to come and fetch me. At work, at work, I don't know what I've said, but we went to Giyani, to Zanin.
Marvin.
Yeah.
Nkonko.
In the hotel, when I read the hotel.
Oh, country lodge.
Country lodge. And there was no one there. And then, remember.
We were shooting.
The trip was very long because we were two with this guy. I don't know the guy.
Man, was it Boiki?
No, that guy, he only transported me, and that's the end of that was the end of him.
Dark in complexion?
No, very light and young.
I don't know him then.
Yes. And then we reached there, and then there was no one. I tried to call Poshe, I'm here. And then she sent the message, we are coming. 3 hours.
After 6.
And then here comes Poshe, and then, okay, yeah, the script in. To cut the story short, And then she said, no, here the script, here is money for you to buy in whatever you want to buy, but I will buy you now that you have just arrived. And then in the morning, just go to the kitchen, the dining hall, and serve yourself. That's where my journey started. I met Brarich and Man Ivoni and Mosa. Because, you know, I'm free to everyone. I said, Afshen, Minjani. No, I'm joining you. They said I'm the MEC, and then everybody was like, "Wow, oh, the MEC."
But when you, I won't lie to you, I was taken aback with Man Yvonne's kindness and openness.
That lady. I mean, now I grew up listening to her music.
Of course, it is.
But I never thought she's that simple to approach. Like
it shocked me.
Even
Brarich.
Yes. You know, and then I said, I know nothing. Before everyone. I said, I know nothing. And then Musa was like, hi, money. I said, Lopi. She was scripture when Niguilesh, and still could find and to the number relating that and then he was like, okay, you are at MEC. It means this is scene 1, scene like that, and then this is what we have to read, and then Brarich had to say, okay, let's start.
It was still in the hotel.
Still when we were eating there.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Guys.
And then we rehearsed. And then Brarich said, yeah, and the zone. Whatever gone bone. Heaven. Hi. And then whatever MEC. And then I was, And then he said, no, don't worry. All will be well. The director is very good. Even the cast, everyone there, you will see. And then Portia came, and then off we go.
I'm sure that journey was long, ne?
Very long. I didn't enjoy that breakfast, believe me. And then when we reached the Mariveni, and then they said that they're giving me clothes. Heaven, clothes. Yes, I knew that they took my size and all, but I never thought in that way. And then they changed me everything. It's happening. And then when we had to go and shoot, because I know the radio, I have practiced according to
your lines only.
My lines only, and I didn't know that they can pick any scene.
Oh,
yes.
So you went according to lines.
Yes. And then my first scene was
the last scene on your road.
Yes, and then they were like, we're going to the food stall, and then you're going to taste the food, and they brief me. And then when I reached there, it was like I was speaking different things. And then they said no. And then Budfuman said, oh, don't worry. Don't worry. Let's see. Where's your script? But okay, no, when you are going to... Then they had to explain what I was about to do.
No, because I saw that you were nervous.
Yes.
I saw, no, wow.
I was sweating. The makeup ladies were all over me. You know what? But it was a learning curve. But another thing that made me to be strong, when I saw some of people from radio, like Matthews Mukwena.
Yes.
And then Matthews was like, our very own Carlina, it's here. And I was like, at least I felt it.
No, but I think one of the greatest things about Giyani was the team,
yes.
and the us working together.
Yo.
I mean, for example, like Musa and Brarich, they helped you. And without even telling me, when you go to set, I saw something's up and I came to you.
Yes, you came to me as if
they told me.
This one is new. And then after that, everybody could detect something is wrong, but they have to change everything immediately. And then we went to another scene. And then the one that I was confident in where they were bodyguards and all.
Yes.
And then we break for lunch. And then I sat next to Budfuman. And then Budfuman, tell me, am I doing... Don't worry, sis, calm down. You know what you have to do. Don't speak before the camera, before the light. How am I going to see that the light is on me now? You will see. And because on radio, you see the red light.
You see the red light.
And then on TV, they say you don't look at the light, but you must sense that the light is in you. You see? But that's first scene, I cherish it because it was my learning curve and everybody loved it. Because when they were commenting on Twitter and elsewhere, they said, wow, the courage.
Remember one thing I said to you as well, like, besides before anything, already you look is what is needed.
Yes.
And that's critical.
Very.
Yes.
And then you said, I must calm down. And then for you, as a Dani, I will say you are an assessor on this. It's been long,
it's not long. It's just Obed and Charles are the ones that.
Yeah, but we have seen you like relax and flow with it. It made me to understand, Kuri, you want me to be part of it, and you know, and you. I'm there to learn. Everybody is there to learn. I thought everybody there knows what they're doing.
No.
You see. But you hold my hand, and then I had to understand, you know what? We are all together on this. So it's day and night. You need the day radio, you need the light, the night.
You know what? I think this journey that she and I about this part, we can talk until
I'm telling you.
Until I don't know who comes back. Jesus comes, no, but Jesus must wait a bit.
And another thing that people must understand, TV. I want to be on TV.
Oh yes.
Yo.
I think she can explain that, because if I say it, people save money with
Yo,
it's easy to speak about what I want to be part of it. It's easy.
TV is difficult, guys, because you know, if they say you've got 2 scenes, it doesn't mean you're going to do your 2 scenes and go.
And in 1 hour.
In 1 hour. No, there are a lot of things. There are a lot of things involved. And remember, Anemina, I'm a teacher. I've declared for me to come and participate on this.
Because either way, you'll be seen.
Yes, and there's no conflict of interest. Because at school we don't do that. This is my part-time, and my principal and my everybody around me as a professional teacher, they know that I'm doing this. So, you know, Shatika, you have to 3 o'clock I'll go email them over. Already the car is outside.
It's outside.
To fetch you. 6 o'clock, the breakfast will miss you, and then
if you don't eat, you're gonna eat again lunchtime when they give those snacks.
Exactly.
Not the break time, number 10, they bring snacks. Lunch is at.
Mara, believe you me, it's good to do what you love the most.
Yes.
Mina, Loxenderka radio, and shitsakela ko, mina la lokuko is story. Shaka TV leshananga audition ndangen. Because very life and death is in the power of your tongue.
Yeah, true.
And those who love it will eat its fruit. So now, yes, I have said I will be on TV, and I'm on TV.
So how does it feel? I think that because besides excellent Sang is asking, his question basically is asking the same thing. As all of Kufla screening from compared to radio, so you've answered that.
Yeah.
You know, but my question to you is, how do you feel now? That'll be my question for me, which is the last question. How do you feel? Where the story took you, where the journey is, what Bradish did to you. Even though we won't explain that, it is not on air yet.
You know what?
How do you feel?
I feel fulfilled for whatever I have done so far. And Giyani have opened my eyes in terms of what is happening in our country. I think it is very true when they say if you want to tell a story or to give a message, do it in a story. And now we are doing it in our own language.
Yes.
Now I understand more about our country, and I understand that people have got different characters. What you see in a face value of a person is not exactly what they are. So now I feel like I'm part of people who are making some changes,
a difference
in people's life, you know, because yini cinceni mara let me tell you something mina kuba ka TV sometimes I forget kuri nile ka TV.
That's good though, because now it means you're not comfortable. It means kuri you are living.
Yes, I remember loko ni ala Joburg ni ri ku xaveni kulo mtixopeni van'wana va ri hey bona bra Rich vele you know people when they see me they say bra Rich. I don't know, even I believe even when they see bra Rich they say bra Rich.
When they see me bra Rich,
you see, yes. And so and then laban fama na bona beri mama kuba man bele kereke beri mama ba bula ngwene ri yini beri gallon of blood. That's why I remember.
You see, because you're not doing, you're living it, you're comfortable, you're not doing it for the fame.
No, not at all.
That's the issue. The issue, people want to come in for fame. That's dangerous.
Yeah. Because mina nje ashwini ncici kuba kuri mina MEC ibili ntlheni nyuma loko vanhu va swivula ku hey MEC hambi swa Karolina leswi swa mani Karolina yini ibili ka radio I was so comfortable because ka radio avantivi unless vanhu va ku voice leyi
yes
ikona va ku inana ba ku khomako mara kumbyeni ntiyiso ku hava ku munhu aku ni right ka radio or ni right ka TV. You need them both because you are delivering a different message.
Hey, you know, we can talk and talk. I was on MLFM last week to be a co-host.
DJ in a fufu.
So my point is, I'll agree with you, guys. Let's respect each other's profession. Don't. Personally, it's very easy to speak and but anyway. Guys, it's been lovely. So
yes.
So guys, know them better. This is an episode know them better.
Yeah.
Sharp. Thank you guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Let's go to 10,000 subscribers. And please don't skip those ads, man. Sharp. Wow, okay.